Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Goods Guru.
I use it all the time, so I want to show you guys how to use it and give you my top 3 reasons why you're gonna love this thing too. So the first thing you want to do to get started is to remove the cap off the bottom of the little water measurement cup that they give you, and you're gonna use that to poke the hole in the bottom with the white end of the each egg that face the down into the dash cooker, just like you see here. And just repeat for each egg that you want to cook. Now the first thing I think you're gonna love this is that it cooks the eggs perfectly each time. But in order to do that, you're gonna use the appropriate amount of water for the amount of eggs that you wanna cook and the style of cook that you're going for. So one side of the measuring cup has the levels for cooking 1, 2, 3 eggs. And if you flip it over, the other side has the measuring for cooking 4 or more eggs. You can do hard, medium, or soft boiled eggs. Plus the kit comes with cooking trays, which I haven't shown here for making poached eggs or omelets. Maximum capacity of the Dash egg cooker, like you see here, is 6 eggs. Today I'm making 6 soft boiled eggs. So you just fill the measuring cup of the appropriate line. You can either pour the water over the top of the eggs, or you can lift the eggs out of the cooker with the carrying tray like I did here and pour the water directly into the burner. The lid has these 2 plastic tapes that stick out, so just set the lid down and twist it to lock it into place. Now all you gotta do is wait. The cooker takes about 7 to 12 minutes, depending on how many eggs are being cooked and what type of cooking you're doing. To cook these 6 soft-boiled eggs, it only took about 8 minutes, and that's another reason you're gonna love this rapid egg cooker. It works much faster than boiling eggs. Plus it places little chime when the eggs are cooked, letting you know exactly when they're ready, eliminating the guesswork and helping you get these perfect cooked eggs every time. I usually take the eggs at this point and run them on a cold water, and that's really seemed to help the eggs peel more easily, which is another reason you're gonna love this rapid egg cooker. With my Dash rapid egg cooker, the eggs peel very easily for me every single time I make them, and that's a huge win in my opinion. And here's the finished product. As you can see, I got consistent, perfectly cooked soft boiled egg. So in my opinion, this isn't a gimmick at all. Like I said, I use it all the time, so if you're looking for a quick and easy way to cook perfect omelets, poached eggs and boiled eggs without any guesswork, and you want the shell on your boiled eggs to be easy to peel every time, I would definitely check out the rapid egg cooker from Dash. This is one of those things that just stays on my kitchen counters because I use it all the time, and I highly recommend it. Because of the impurities in the eggshell and impurities in the water that you used for cook the egg, the actual burner surface on the rapid egg cooker will build up these dark mineral spots over time. But there's a really easy fix for that. I need to do is pour some white vinegar into the top of the rapid egg cooker surface. Let that soak for 10 or 15 minutes. Wipe it out and it look like a new.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and reviews. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Kitchen Good Guru.